Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today I'm sharing something a little different with you and I am so excited. This is a different kind of unboxing for me. Dan and I decided that for our Christmas/Hanukkah gift to each other this year, we would have a painting done of our two cats, Pumpkin and Pickle. And I already had seen online an amazing artist, Kim Haskins, who paints cats, and they are the most adorable cats. I'll put her email, I'll put her website below and you can see some of the prints she has. Oh my goodness, these cats are all fluffy and cuddly and they look at you with their big happy cat eyes. They just make you feel cheerful. And Dan and I decided that we would commission Kim to do a painting of our two special little babies. And guess what? It arrived from Britain today. I can't believe it. We have about 3 inches of rain today. It was like the worst day to have anything important delivered. But you know what? It is here. It looks like it's in one piece and I just can't wait to show you. So very carefully, I cut the end of the box open. And I'm gonna slide it out. And Kim, thank you so much for packing this so well, because even with 3 inches of rain, it is dry and flat, which is wonderful. And here comes Pumpkin to see what's going on. Oh, look at this. So Kim had put a piece of board in here to make sure that it didn't get bent. That was very, very smart. Pumpkin, this is a picture of you. I know, it's amazing. What a lucky kitty cat you are. Tell you what, would you like a piece of tape to play with? Oh yes, that looks pretty amazing too. We're gonna untape very carefully. So we had sent Kim some pictures, some photographs of Pickle and Pumpkin, and we had told her a little bit about their personalities, and she did some sketches for us. Oh, and here are the sketches. Oh my goodness, look at this. I swear the sketches are like as good as the painting. And a card. Oh, we'll open that. I'm gonna carefully take these off. Yes, this is so interesting, isn't it? Okay. Look at this, it's you and your brother. Pumpkin, you wanna see? This is so cute. Oh my goodness. And adorable. And look at these sketches. So Kim made the sketches and then she sent a picture on email to us of them, and we got to give feedback about what we thought might be best for us. And we chose out the pose that we liked. And then this is how it relates to the garden mouse. Kim had seen a conifer unboxing and came up with the idea that that would be a really great background for this painting, to have some conifers. And that's what she decided to do. And it goes so perfectly because, you know, conifers will look great any time of year. I feel like that background color will go great with our decor any time of year. So that's really good. And I just can't wait to see this. Okay. I have never opened anything so carefully in my life. I'm a tear into it person, so this is showing a lot of restraint. Here we go. Oh. And this is gonna be, whoo, look at this. Here's the card. We'll take that off. Pickle, you wanna come up here too? Of course, we don't really let them on the dining room table usually, but this is an important moment, so we will bend the rules. Okay. This is beautiful. So we have, the painting is a 24 4 by 20 inch painting. And let's see, I think that the cats really like the bubble wrap and the tape. Oh, honey, you have tape on your fur. Here we go. That probably wasn't good. Yeah, can we get the tape off of you? Okay, well, oh yeah, let's not step on the painting. Here we go. We're getting down to the actual painting here. To the paper. It's amazing what a small world we have now that somebody so far away can do a painting of our little babies and ship it over here, and it gets here quickly and all in one piece. It's wonderful. Okay. So this is what I see so far. Let me show you. It says pumpkin and pickle, and here's Kim Haskins' signature and the date. Oh, so exciting. Dan and I have never done something like this before. So this is a brave new world for us. And Pumpkin is loving all that to play with. Okay. Okay, one more piece of tape here. We're almost there. Oh. Let's see. I'm going to let you see it at the same time that I do. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous, Kim. You are absolutely amazing. Look at all the pine and those pine cones, the leaves. Oh, and Pumpkin and Pickle. Pickle is a little bit more gray. Pumpkin is a little bit more that seal brown color. Oh, and their eyes are so cute and big. This is gorgeous. So we're going to have this framed and put up in our family room. You want to come see it? What do you think, Pumpkin? You want to come see? You're going to watch from there? Yeah, isn't that amazing? So nice. That's you. Yeah, you're going to go behind. Yep, your name is on the back. So Kim, thank you so much for all of your hard work. You have captured our babies. We are going to keep this very safe, and we are going to enjoy it so much in our home. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.